Did you know that vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to various health issues? Just like a puzzle piece, vitamin B12 is a vital component that keeps our body's health puzzle complete. It's an essential nutrient that our bodies need but can't produce. It plays a crucial role in nerve function, the formation of red blood cells, and the synthesis of DNA. When we don't get enough vitamin B12, our health puzzle becomes incomplete, and we start to see the picture change. This deficiency can lead to an array of health problems ranging from fatigue to serious neurological issues. It can creep in unnoticed, and often its subtle symptoms are overlooked. But the longer it goes undetected, the more severe potential health risks can become. From mild symptoms like tiredness and weakness to more severe ones like difficulty walking or memory problems, vitamin B12 deficiency is not something to be taken lightly. So it's crucial to recognize the symptoms of this deficiency early. One of the most common symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency is fatigue. This isn't your typical tiredness from a long day or lack of sleep, but rather a persistent feeling of exhaustion that doesn't seem to go away, even after getting enough rest. This happens because vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to our organs and tissues. When there's a deficiency, your body struggles to make enough of these cells, resulting in less oxygen for your body to use, hence the fatigue. Alongside fatigue, you might also experience a sense of weakness. This isn't just about feeling physically weak, but it can also manifest as difficulty in performing everyday tasks that you once did with ease. This is because vitamin B12 is essential for nerve health and muscle strength. With low levels of B12, nerve function can be compromised, leading to muscle weakness. So, if you're feeling unusually tired or weak, it could be a sign of B12 deficiency. Pale or jaundiced skin and shortness of breath are also important symptoms to watch out for. When you're deficient in vitamin B12, your body struggles to produce enough red blood cells. These cells are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout your body. When their production is compromised, it can lead to a paler complexion or even a yellowish tinge to the skin, known as jaundice. This happens because your body starts to release bilirubin, a substance produced when red blood cells break down. Similarly, a decrease in red blood cells also means there's less oxygen circulating in your bloodstream. This can make you feel breathless, even when you're not physically exerting yourself. This shortness of breath is your body's way of telling you it's not getting enough oxygen. It's a sign you shouldn't ignore. Thus, changes in skin color and breathlessness may indicate a vitamin B12 deficiency. Dizziness and a tingling sensation are other symptoms that should not be ignored. Let's delve into why these symptoms occur due to vitamin B12 deficiency. When your body lacks B12, it can't produce enough red blood cells to effectively transport oxygen around your body. This can leave you feeling dizzy or lightheaded, especially when you stand up quickly. This sensation of unsteadiness or loss of balance is your body's way of telling you that it's not getting the oxygen it needs. On the other hand, the tingling sensation, often described as pins and needles, is typically felt in the hands or feet. This happens because vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in the normal functioning of the nervous system. A deficiency can lead to nerve damage, which often manifests as this tingling sensation or even numbness. So if you're feeling dizzy or experiencing tingling, it could be due to B12 deficiency. Difficulty walking and memory problems are serious symptoms that demand attention. Now let's delve deeper into these symptoms to understand how a deficiency in vitamin B12 can impact nerve function and cognition. When it comes to walking, we often take for granted the complex coordination of muscles, nerves, and brain functions required. When there's a deficiency in vitamin B12, it can lead to nerve damage, which in turn can disrupt this coordination. This disruption often manifests as difficulty in walking, balancing, or a staggering gait. Some individuals may also experience muscle weakness or numbness in their legs, further complicating their mobility. But it doesn't stop at physical coordination. Vitamin B12 also plays a crucial role in the functioning of our brain. This brings us to another symptom: memory problems. A deficiency in this essential vitamin can lead to a range of cognitive issues. These can range from mild instances of forgetfulness to more severe symptoms like confusion, difficulty concentrating, and in some cases, even dementia. It's important to note that these symptoms are not exclusive to vitamin B12 deficiency. They can also be associated with other health conditions like multiple sclerosis or Alzheimer's disease. However, It's worth considering vitamin B12 deficiency as a potential cause, especially if these symptoms are accompanied by others we've discussed, like fatigue, weakness, or changes in skin color. Remember, the human body doesn't produce vitamin B12, so it's essential to get enough from our diet or supplements. Good sources include meat, fish, dairy products, and fortified foods. However, certain groups like older adults, vegans, and individuals with certain digestive disorders may have trouble absorbing enough vitamin B12 from their diet and may need supplements or injections. In conclusion, if you or someone you know is experiencing difficulty walking or memory problems, it's crucial to seek medical advice. These symptoms could be a warning sign of B12 deficiency that should not be overlooked. After all, early detection and treatment can prevent potentially severe health complications. Finally, changes in mood and vision may also indicate a vitamin B12 deficiency. These are not the most common symptoms, yet they are significant enough to warrant attention. Let's start with mood changes. It's not uncommon to experience mood swings from time to time, but when they become frequent or severe, it might be more than just daily stress or hormonal fluctuations. Vitamin B12 plays a vital role in synthesizing and metabolizing serotonin, a chemical responsible for regulating mood. A deficiency in this essential nutrient can disrupt this process, potentially leading to mood swings or even depression. Additionally, a lack of vitamin B12 can cause irritability. This isn't merely about having a bad day. It's a consistent change in demeanor that can affect one's quality of life and relationships. Now let's talk about vision changes. This might sound surprising, but a B12 deficiency can indeed affect your vision. The optic nerve, which is crucial for vision, can be damaged by a lack of B12. This deficiency can lead to blurred or disturbed vision. It's not about needing a new pair of glasses or spending too much time in front of screens. It's a distinct change in your vision quality that doesn't have an apparent cause and doesn't improve with rest or corrective lenses. It's important to note that these mood and vision changes are often subtle at first. They may come and go, making them easy to dismiss or attribute to other factors. However, if these changes persist or worsen, it's critical to seek professional advice. The sooner a B12 deficiency is identified, the sooner it can be addressed, potentially preventing further health complications. In conclusion, mood swings, depression, irritability, and changes in vision can all be signs of a vitamin B12 deficiency. These aren't symptoms to be taken lightly or ignored. They're signals from your body that something might be off balance, and it's crucial to listen to these signals and take action. Therefore, changes in mood and vision could be a sign of B12 deficiency. In conclusion, vitamin B12 deficiency can manifest in various symptoms. We've taken a deep dive into the numerous ways our bodies might alert us to a shortfall of this vital nutrient. From fatigue and weakness, symptoms that can easily be mistaken for the effects of a busy lifestyle, to more specific signs like pale or jaundiced skin and shortness of breath, the telltale signs of B12 deficiency are diverse. The consequences of ignoring these symptoms can be severe. Dizziness and a tingling sensation in the hands or feet might seem harmless at first, but these can be signs of nerve damage caused by a deficiency in vitamin B12. In more severe cases, this nerve damage can even lead to difficulty walking or maintaining balance, adding a physical challenge to the mix. Our brains aren't immune to the effects of B12 deficiency either. Memory problems, confusion, or difficulty concentrating are all cognitive symptoms that can arise when our brains aren't getting enough of this vital vitamin. Let's not forget about the emotional toll it can take as well. Mood swings, depression, or irritability can all be exacerbated by a lack of B12. And lastly, vision changes, such as blurred or disturbed vision, can occur as a result of optic nerve damage linked to this deficiency. Recognizing these symptoms early on is of utmost importance. By being attentive to our bodies and the signals they send us, we can identify a potential B12 deficiency before it leads to more serious health issues. It's not just about treating the symptoms, but about addressing the root cause and preventing further complications. Remember, early recognition of these symptoms can lead to timely intervention and prevention of further health issues. By understanding the importance of vitamin B12 and the role it plays in our health, we can take proactive steps towards maintaining our well-being. After all, our health is our greatest wealth.